Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today on my platter I have a huge American football cake, some Wingstop, which is Mango Habanero. I have some tortilla chips and my favorite cheese sauce. Let me get into my birthday shout out. Birthday shout out goes to Jacqueline Johnson and Keisha Harris. You guys have been awesome supporters of my YouTube journey. I thank you guys so much. Happy birthday. So guys, y'all know it's the Super Bowl, right? It is the Super Bowl. So I went ahead and got myself an American football cake. Okay guys, so where should I start? I want to dive into the dip before it gets cold. Look at that heat. Let's look at that heat. Yo. In a minute I'll tell you exactly what's in this cheese dip, guys. It's hot. The cheese is everything. Mmm. I do have some beer tonight. Woo. I'm excited to try this cake. I am. My goodness. Wow. That's bad, guys. I love celery. I do. I actually make celery drink like 3 times per week. And carrots. I can't stop eating this. I have bacon, cream cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise, cilantro. I have some ranch on the side. So who you are bringing for Super Bowl today? To be honest, as I said in my previous video, I'm not a fan of football, but you know, it's a thing in the States. So I'm with it, yeah? I'm gonna give a shout out today, maybe two. Ooh, baby. Oh, sure. So, shout out for today. I'm gonna give about 3 shout out today. Denise Johnson, Lisa Farron, Olivia Thomas, and Kara and her 2 daughters. You guys are an awesome supporter of my YouTube journey, guys, and I thank you for always being here whenever I drop a video. Okay, thank you guys so much. Oh, ooh, baby. Ooh, stop breaking, stop breaking. Yo, don't do it. I think I put the wrong chips at the store. I was rushing. I was rushing today. But I got it done, as I always do. Let's bite. Let me know if you guys like the cake. I think it's cute. Woo. I'm gonna try the chicken in this. That's good. The cilantro, the bacon, the dill, So good. I can't wait to eat that. Whew. I hope the white is not too much for my camera. The white. Hope not. One day I'm going to show you guys how I made this. It's so good. My son, he loves this. Also my husband. I'm gonna leave some for them, do I have to? This cake. So actually my son, he tasted it. I don't like chocolate. And he said, Mommy, it looks like chocolate, but it's vanilla. So I really want to dive into this, what it really tastes like. Ooh, Chrissy tonight. Not bad. I think I'm gonna cut the cake right now. Whew. To be honest, guys, I really wanted to do a fun video for y'all. You know, Christmas Day, I did a Christmas mukbang, you know, stuff like that. So, wipe my hands off and then I'm going to dive into the cake. So, should I cut from here so you guys can see what's inside? There you go, crispy cake, so. Hope this thing tastes good. Oh my god, I left my knife cutter thing too. I can't do it right there. I can't. My son said it's vanilla, but yo, this looks like chocolate. Ooh, he was right. It's like chocolate and vanilla. My husband, he doesn't understand how I don't like chocolate. So, for all my birthday subscribers, this batch is for y'all, okay? So moist. My son was right. He was right. I'm gonna cut it open so you guys can see what inside looks like. I think I did a good job at the front. Y'all see it? Perfect, Chrissy. Wow, you girl did that. You girl did that. So I hope y'all team win. You know who y'all cheering for. I tell y'all, in my house, tomorrow, I should just say today, it's gonna be very, very noisy with my son and my husband. I think the reason I don't like chocolate is on the bitter side for me, and I really don't like sweets, so this is a lot. But my son and husband are gonna enjoy this. But I enjoyed this mukbang, guys. I hope you did too. I don't know. This is just everything. I'm good. I'm full though. I'm full. I'm gonna eat a piece of this cake. Peace out. I told the guy who was baking this, I said to him, please make me a small cake. I need a small ball with, you know, on the field. When I went to the store, I'm like, yo, what's all this? I need a small cake. Like, you know what I'm saying? Maybe about half of the small, something really cute. Oh, baby. So good. Wow. When you want to leave back, we're still going back tonight. But I'm full though. I am full. I ain't gonna force the food. I'm gonna show you guys how I made this. It was easy to about 15 minutes. The hardest part to make this, guys, is kind of crushing the cheese together with the cheese, with sour cream, the cheese, the mayonnaise, mix it all together. If you do have a cake mixer, I think it would go well with this to help you, you know, mix it all together. But I use my hand. I don't have a cake mixer because I don't make cake, and I don't think I'll ever make a cake. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I need any cake mixing thing because, you know, there's so many people out there making cake and stuff like that. So I'll just purchase one from them, okay? Made my life much, much easier. This is refreshing. With the cake, the chips, the dip, and this, yo. Yeah, I went to the post office and I dropped off the birthday cards. I'm excited for you guys to receive those cards. I am. And I did put in a few get well soon card as well. Yep. But I'm gonna leave you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy this mukbang with me, and I hope y'all team win. Yeah, so as I always say, take care, be safe, bye bye, bye bye, bye guys.